Hi, Jackie Van Ruler here. In today's video, I'm going to show you what you can do for men who are experiencing prostate issues. So whether that be an enlargement of the prostate that's restricting urine flow or any other prostate issue, you can work the areas around the eyes, specifically this point directly underneath the iris of the eye, and then also the area on the upper lip, specifically right below the nostril, but I would work actually this whole upper lip area. So get out your magic wand. And I just like starting right on the side of the bridge of the nose, working my way through here. And what I'm doing is I'm feeling for any areas that have a resistance to me moving my magic wand over them. You don't want to use any oil or anything like that because you want to realize or notice where it's difficult to move the wand on its own. All of those areas are areas that you're carrying stress in your body, or there's resistance to flow, resistance to circulation, resistance to oxygenation and nutrient delivery. So I'm noticing as I'm working right in this area that I'm feeling a little bit of resistance. So I'm spending a little bit of more time working that area. Still feeling resistance over here. So you can see that I slowed down. And I'm spending a few seconds just working right in this area. Okay, working all the way around the eye. Just noticing what I'm feeling. Am I able to move it easily? Is there some resistance? It was really just that one area. It was kind of a large area that I felt that resistance. Okay, so I'm done with that side. Now I want to move over to the other side and do the same thing. I can use my other hand to support the skin if I want to. Coming under the eye and making sure that I spend in it right directly underneath the iris of the eye is the specific point for the prostate. But you can work around the whole eye. That'll be the zone or the larger area. And this is something that you're not going to notice a difference with just one treatment. This is something you're going to want to do on a regular basis. If you're having prostate issues or your husband or partner is having prostate issues, you can do this on them. And I would do this on a daily basis if possible, or have them do it. But even just a couple times a week, you'll probably notice a difference. Okay. Then you're going to work this area directly underneath the nostrils, right in here. And you can do this even if you have facial hair, or if the person you're working on has facial hair. And then work this whole area of the upper lip. For women who are pregnant, you just want to avoid the upper lip, but since you're unlikely to have a prostate and be pregnant, you don't have to worry about that. Just working this whole area and noticing what you feel. I was lucky enough and just had a treatment today, received a treatment, so I'm not noticing too many lumps and bumps because I think they got worked out, which is great. If you don't have anybody in your area, or if you haven't looked, I would see if you have a practitioner in your area. Receiving these treatments is magical. It literally changes your mood to a much better, productive, more positive mood. Helps you feel better instantly, helps you get out of that stress state that most of us are in most of the time. So do see if you have a practitioner in your area. You will notice probably about 10 times the results of doing it on yourself. Okay, next area you're going to work is underneath the lips. This is for the ureters and then the bladder in here. So that's just going to help to increase that flow of urine, help it to be less painful or uncomfortable, letting it flow more smoothly. So both sides underneath that lower lip. And then working the whole chin. I'm noticing a little bit right in here, so I'm just spending some extra time. And then with every protocol at the end, you just want to work around the ears. That sets the protocol in. So I'm going to put my hair behind my ears here, starting at where the top of the ear meets the face, coming down the front side, working up and around the back side. This sets the formula in, helps to keep the body in a better state of regulation, balances the parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. Those are the two branches of the autonomic nervous system. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, that way you don't miss any of my videos. These might come in handy with your friends or family or yourself. And then, of course, always let me know how this formula felt, if you notice some lumpy bumpiness or resistance on your face. And be sure to check out my website, Mind Body Beauty Institute, to order your magic wand or to find out when my next classes will be. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you in the next video. Bye.